Let me help you with that.
Sunscreen party at Key West right here. Yeah. How we feeling, everyone?
Good.
Yeah?
I'm getting abused. Oh, I got it, guys. Good job.
A favor.
What?
Would you mind like carrying me?
Oh my gosh, you want me to carry you into the water, Leslie? Come on.
The seaweed part. I don't want to go into seaweed.
Oh, you don't want to
Scares
go in the seaweed. The seaweed's everywhere. Oh, here we go. Seaweed. It's not that bad. The seaweed feels,
Slimy?
no, it doesn't feel slimy. It's not like slimy seaweed. It's just it's like this. It feels like this on your feet.
It's the softest clay sand I've ever felt. I don't know what it is. Is it sand?
Oh, right here. Oh, shoot, you're right.
It's so soft.
What? He put it on his face.
It's the next beauty product, bro.
Oh. Oh no.
I think we've just started.
I don't know. Yeah, this might not be a good idea.
No, it'd be a really good shot.
Hey Paul, where are we?
Guys, we're out by Honda State Park.
Yeah, Honda State Park. We got a dinosaur up in here.
Woo!
All right, let's see what he got.
Gotta go snorkeling.
Hey! Yo, get your snorkel on, bro.
Oh yeah.
Shoot, you're stepping in.
Yeah.
He's on him.
Okay.
What do you think about this, Leslie?
You guys are gonna have a great time down there. You're not gonna do it.
She's gonna do it.
No.
Yes, you are. All right, we're here at Sugarloaf jumping bridge. Seems like it's about 20 feet tall. I don't know. 20 feet? 20, 25 feet?
40 feet?
No, not 40.
Let's do it quick.
Yeet.
Let's go! Jump.
1, go.
Yeah! Yeah! How was paddleboarding with that dinosaur suit, man?
Dude, bro, it was a little scary because if you fall off, you're at risk of drowning, but it was worth it, man. The
Yeah.
T-Rex has to survive. The T-Rex is the dominant species, so it's got to be out there on the water paddling away, you know?
True, true, true.
So,
Feel it.
it was good. It was good. It was a fun time. So,
Nice.
let's go.
Oh, all right. Nice. We're gonna see if Leslie is able to jump off it. It's a little scary. We'll see.
Baby, what if I die?
You will not die.
So basically what you do is you go like this. Yeah, girl, you got it. Once you're ready, you just go off it.
Don't look down. Just jump.
Sure.
Pretty clown. Look at the
Ready?
clown.